Hey, my name is Lyles, and I'm here to talk about what happened to the final woolly mammoths right before their extinction. So obviously we know the woolly mammoths, they spread across the entirety of the continents, mainly across Europe and Asia. They reached across China and Russia, and they were very prominent in Russia, obviously. So towards the end of their lifespan, the organism as a whole, it was mainly vegetation, the loss of vegetation, and climate change from the ice age, or the end of the ice age, that caused them to go extinct for the most part. It was also human interaction which caused them to go extinct, because humans were famous for hunting down megafauna during that time. There's mass burial sites of just mammoth bones that we found across that area as well. So the final, or the last portion of these woolly mammoths started moving up towards Russia. And at the top of Russia, there's actually this island right here called Wrangel Island. Wrangel Island, during that time, about 10,000 years ago, was actually connected to the mainland through a land bridge. And once the woolly mammoths passed over the land bridge onto Wrangel Island about 10,000 years ago, there was a rise in sea level that caused that land bridge to go underwater. And so obviously they were stranded on that island. We believe from fossil records that the population on that island was about one herd, which had about 8 viable breeding organisms on it. And so you would think up to that point that obviously the woolly mammoths would be extinct within 1 or 2 generations. But the interesting part of it is that this one herd of woolly mammoths lasted another 6,000 years, which was actually 600 years after the pyramids were built or finished. And so that's really interesting.